Talha from the UK.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaykum salam.
Sheikh, what it is, I've got a lot of family, so I've started to try to think about whom I need to keep in contact with, and I've heard your answers before where you said to the those that are males and those who we can keep in contact with, we should. The problem is there's some people I don't even know of, and I'm trying to get in contact with them. I just want to know how far back do we go to when it comes to keeping it, like what's the obligation when it comes to this? So how far back? Because there's some people in villages in a different country that I don't know.
Nobody, Talha, goes to fourth and fifth cousins. You restrict yourself to your siblings, then the bigger circle would include your uncles and aunts, paternal and maternal. Then the bigger circle would be your cousins, only male cousins, paternal and maternal, if they're in the same country, if there is access to contact them, if there is a possibility to know them. But if they are in faraway countries and you don't speak the language, or they don't know that even you exist, there is no need for you to contact them, none whatsoever.